In this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to recover data from a USB drive that you have accidentally deleted files from, or you have formatted it. And by USB drive, mean external hard drives, external USB drives, SD cards, micro SD cards from cameras, etc, etc. First step in this one is to plug in your USB that you're looking to recover. Once that USB is plugged in, you go ahead and open Stellar Toolkit Data Recovery. Click yes. When it opens up, bring it to the forefront, and it has more options here. You can monitor your drive's health status. You can repair a certain video that sometimes might be a corrupted file or photo as well. In this case, we are only interested in recovering the data. We hit recover data. It initializes. Usually doesn't take that long, so you just give it that time. When it opens up, you will see that in here you have a choice. You want to recover all data, including documents, folders, emails, and whatnot. Or if you're just interested in media, you select photos, audio, and videos. You hit next. Next window will open, and now you look for your drive. Your drive should be in this list right here. Mine is just a small USB drive because for time purposes, I'm only trying the smallest USB drive that I could find in the drawer, which is a 1 gigabyte, which you'll see later why I'm selecting the smallest one for the video purpose. You click scan, and you will be presented with the next window. You turn off the preview or turn on, that's up to you. In this case, we have to click deep scan. When you click deep scan, it will go through processes that will attempt to recover and rebuild sectors on your drive. You just give it the time needed. And here we have our finished data. You will be presented with another window that says scanning completed successfully. 310 files found in 9 folders, 1.4 gigabyte of data recoverable, which we know our USB drive is only almost 1 gigabyte, but it found stuff that used to be there before. That's the beauty of this software. Now, what do we do in this case? We click recover, and we select the folder where we want to recover our data. I'm just gonna put them on just a test. Doesn't matter the folder. You hit OK. You select folder. And before you start saving, this is very crucial. You click advanced settings. You'll open this window and uncheck create zip file, because it will attempt to create every single file in a zip file, and you don't really need that. So uncheck the create zip file, click OK, then you start saving, and it will take its own sweet little time to save everything. You just wait. Since I know what's in this drive already, I'm not going to wait for the end of it, but you understand the principle and the working methods of recovering your data from deleted files on drives or drives that have been formatted by mistake, or drives that sometimes are simply inaccessible, and this software will try to do its best to make it accessible and bring your data back. And I will leave a link on the description for this software. It's not free, I gotta say that, but if you must recover important data, this software really works. With that said, thank you for watching another tutorial, and we'll see you next time.